Morning. It's Monday morning. It's day number 5 because I didn't do a day last week, but I've not spent one full day on this job yet. The most I've done, I think, was 7 hours. I've done like 7 hours, 6 hours, and a couple of 4s. So I've not had a full day in it. But again, we're on Monday morning. We're in November, as you know, and it's dry and a bit sunny. I think it's going to rain at about midday, so we've got 4 hours to get something done. I'm hoping it's going to rain about 2 o'clock, so what I've painted, like with some amorite on these railings, will sort of be dry. That's what I'm hoping anyway. Right, so first thing first. So I'm continuing on with this ironwork. So first thing first, I'm going to be wiping down and drying all the stuff that I want to be painting, or that I want to be sanding and painting. So right, I'll just show you what I'm going to be doing, or what I'm doing. I've already dried this side down. I'm now just going to dry this because it's just a bit wet, and use the rain to my advantage in it to clean a bit of it up. And then I've already sanded and scraped that side. I'm just going to sand and I'm just going to wipe it, scrape and sand this side. And then what I'm going to do is I'm not going to push it too far. I'm just going to prep this area up to there. And then I'm going to go back to this end and start painting and see what we can get done. Like I say, the good part about this rain, you can use it to your advantage, and it can help get the green dew off, the green mossy stuff. If you want to watch the full playlist of this project, there's 5 videos. The videos will pop up at the end of this video on the end screen. That side anyway. So, if you would like to purchase some of the tools and materials that I've used on this project, please feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also, if you're planning on doing any other decorating works, please feel free to visit my tool store. The links are also in the description below. Right, I'm now ready for painting this ironwork, and what I'm using is the client had it already. I'm using the hammered black finish. Right, the brush that I'm using is an inch Hamilton Prestige. Right, so let's crack on with this then. See, how I like to paint these is paint everything I can see on this side, and then all you need to do is sort of face it up on the other side. So most of the work's in one side, and like I say, you just face it up. And that's that first coated on this part anyway. I'm going to now move on round the back and do some jobs. I tell you what, it's belting round here with the sun. Right, so yes, I'm working on these windows round the back now, so I'm just going to give them a light sand down, ready for the second coat. But I'm also going to be dealing with, I don't know whether, oh, it's a little bit, I can't even see, it's the sun. I'm also going to be dealing with and sanding this down as well. So I'll start off by denibbing the top. What I'm going to do is just touch up the filled bits now. Once I touched up the filler with the Zinsser all coat on this window, I touched up the other windows, so they're all now ready for finishing. So I start with second coating this window. Right, it's now 1:10 and it's now started to rain, but we've just got these windows done in time. And I'm just hoping that they've dried in time. Right, so I'm happy with that. That doesn't leave me with much left to do. A bit of work round the front door. I've got to redo the back gate, because that got damaged by the rain. And then I've got a little bit more iron work to do. So, right, this is Sunday and it's day number 6 of this painting an exterior in November. Now, when I say day 6, I have been here and done like about an hour all in all prior to that, but I won't class that as a day, so to make it easy I'll just go straight on to day 6. Right, what I've noticed when I've got here, there is damage on the railings. Let me give you a look. But it's just been non-stop raining and the rain's just sort of sat on the railings. But today should be finishing day. I should be able to touch these railings up. If I don't get them done today, I'll spend an hour on them tomorrow morning. But apart from that, today should be finishing day. So here's what I'm doing, and this is what I needed the dry day for. It was to do the front door, because again this got damaged in the rain about a week and a half ago. Right, I painted the panels on this door already, so what I need to do is the edges. Now I've already painted around this door knocker. I've took the letterbox off, I've took like the key latch bit off, but I can't get this handle off, so I'm going to leave this handle on and just cutting around it. It is an easy cutting handle. So right, let's bring this outside to a finish. I previously sanded this door and painted the panel, so all that was left to sand was this back edge and a little bit of the face. A last minute bit of caulking. Like I said just a minute ago, I'd already painted the panels, so all that left was the back edge, uprights and cross sections. Right, that's the door done, but this don't happen very often. This Zinsser all coat, the door was in really good condition, and as we know, this Zinsser all coat doesn't require an undercoat, and it's gone on these doors and it's covered in one coat. But like I say, the door before was in really good condition. Let me give you a look. Right, what I'm going to do is give this damaged ironwork and the railings once over. Just see if we can tidy them up a bit. I just hope that this covers them damaged bits. It should do. We'll come back and check tomorrow and take some finished pictures of everything if we can. This is the damage that we repaired on this window. This door was in good condition, it just required the sand and it actually went in one coat. This window wasn't so bad, it just required a sand and a tiny bit of filling. But this window was horrific, it required new beading putting on, along with wood hardener and tour prep filler. This gate just had a good sand and a coat of paint, it also went in one. And the touch-up job did work on the railings where it was damaged by the rain. Front door was in really good condition, it had a good sand and went in one coat. Window bay had a sand, a little fill and a couple of coats of paint. And thank you very much for watching, take care.